Hey students, again welcome back to my channel Exact City. Hope you all are fine. So today I'm here with the prediction for 24th June 2021. So as you already know, 24th will be the last test date in the month of June. So for both from IDP and also from British Council, we don't know that whether they will add the additional test date or not. So anyway, as they publish now, 24th will be the last test date of June month. Okay, I hope you all are practicing for your test. So without further delay, we will directly start with our video, or else our video will be too long. Okay, so let's start with the listening module for both academic and general. So in part 1, you will get fill-up type of question as usual by hearing a conversation between two speakers. That will be a telephonic conversation. So your word limit will be up to 2 words and or a number. And along with that, you can expect 2 or 3 short MCQs also. So this part will be an easy one. Moving on to part 2, this time you can expect short MCQs again along with selection of letters. You will get one question along with 5 to 6 options, and you need to select 2 or 3 according to their instruction. So try to read out the instruction carefully. So this part also will be an easy one. So part 1 and part 2 will be an easy one. So try to score maximum in these two parts. Moving on to part 3, you will hear an academic discussion between 3 to 4 students, and this time you can expect large MCQs. That means large MCQs in the sense the question will be large. That means little bit lengthy. And also options also little bit lengthy. So try to utilize the time properly. You will get half a minute to read out the question, so try to utilize that time properly and try to make some prediction, underline the keywords and all. Then it will be easy while hearing that audio. So along with that, match the information type of question. Your options will be given in a box and you want to cross the appropriate option. So part 3, we can say it just little bit tricky. The audio will be little bit fast in part 3 and also in part 4. So try to adjust your background speed while practicing in this YouTube. You can do that. Okay, so try to do it out. Then moving on to part 4, you can expect an academic lecture. You will hear a monologue and you need to answer the questions in the form of fill-up type. That will be a summary completion or a not completion. So your word limit will be 1 word only. You can use only 1 word. So your listening section will be an easy one for both academic and general modules. So try to go through the listening materials in the YouTube section. You will get more materials in YouTube and also try to do it out. Okay, so now we'll see regarding the reading module for academic first. In passage 1, you can expect true, false, not given type of question and also fill up type of question. That will be in the form of a short not completion, that also up to 2 words. So this passage will be an easy one. Moving on to passage 2, you can expect list of heading type of question. Match the information type of question. That will be in the form of list of heading. You will get some headings in a box and you want to give proper heading for the paragraph. Your long passage will be divided into small paragraph and you need to give proper heading for each paragraph. So try to read out the heading first rather than going through this complete passage and all. Try to read the heading and try to understand it. Translate it in your mother tongue. Okay, then try to understand it and try to underline the keywords. Okay, then it will be easy for you. Then along with that, MCQs, multiple choice question along with 4 options, and fill up type of question also. That will be in the form of a short not completion, 1 word only or up to 2 words. So try to read out the instruction carefully. So this part 2 or the passage 2 will be little bit moderate level. Okay, so try to concentrate more, try to adjust your time accordingly. So you can check out our playlist for some tips to solve each and every type of question. So try to check it out, then it will be easy for you. Then now we'll see regarding this passage 3, you can expect yes, no, not given type of question. Along with that, match the information type of question. So this time the question will be in the form of the options will be given in a box and you want to cross it. Okay, you want to cross proper options with the question. Then along with that, selection of letter type question to you. Selection of letter or selection of letters. Okay, selection of letter means you want to give a common heading for the complete passage. You will get one question like that, and they will give 4 options. You want to select the proper heading for the word passage, or else they will give selection of letters, one common question and 5 to 6 option, and you need to select any two which mentioned in the passage. Like that also you can expect. Okay, so these 3 category you can expect in passage 3. Yes, no, not given type, match the information, and also selection of letters. So this passage 3 also will be in moderate level. Actually, the mode of difficulty, it's completely based on your capability. If you are practicing well, and if you know how to manage the time, and how to do this eye reading, how to do skimming method, skipping method, scanning method, how to scan for these keywords, then definitely your reading will be easy for you. Okay, so try to practice more. So you will get more IELTS reading cracking methods in YouTube and all from different trainers. So try to go through that and try to take the most applicable method for you. All the methods will not be applicable for you. So try to go through different methods and apply it out and take the proper one. Okay. So that's all about this reading section for academic. So overall we can set it as easy to moderate level. Now we'll see regarding this general module reading. In section 1, you know that you will get 2 short passages. In section 1 and also in section 2, you will get 2 short passages. So these 2 sections will be an easy one. Then the last section, you will get a long passage that will be little bit moderate level. Okay. So in section 1, you can expect fill-up type of question. In case of general module, in every section, you can expect fill-up type of question. Okay, so that's why the reading will be more easy for you. So it's very easy to crack fill-up type of question. You need to concentrate on that particular word or up to 2 words and all. Anyway, you can expect fill-up type of question that will be in the form of a short not completion. Along with that, yes, no, not given type question to you. Then in section 2, you can expect match the information type of question. That will be which paragraph contain this information. You will get a list of information and you want to select which paragraph contain those information. And you will get the instruction like you can use any letter more than once. Along with that, you can expect fill-up type of question. That will be a table completion or a flowchart completion. That also word limit will be there. So try to check out the word limit and try to maintain that. Then moving on to section 3. You can expect match the information type of question again. This time they will give the options in a box and you want to cross it. Along with that, fill up type of question, that will be a short not completion up to 2 words. And also yes, no, not given type of question to you. Okay, so that's all about this section 3. Overall, for general module, the reading will be an easy one. So try to practice more. Try to go through this Cambridge material 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. That means 11 and above. Okay, the same format you can expect in your real exam. Then now we'll see regarding this writing module. In task 1 of academic, you can expect the infographic structure. That means line, bar, pie or table. Okay, so that will ask you in a single way or in the comparative way. That means a line chart along with a bar chart or line along with a table. Okay, you can expect that too. Regarding this task 1 for academy, try to maintain the structure. You know that you want to start with introduction by paraphrasing the question. You need to give synonyms for each and every word. Then after the introduction, you want to write overview with general trends. Then after that, you can divide the body paragraph into 2 to 3 with its specific information. That means what all are the informations they given in the graph, try to report that properly. Try, if they asked for the comparative study, means try to do that. Use proper cohesive devices. Try to maintain proper tense according to the years. So you can divide based on any parameter. If you are comfort to divide based on years, means you can do like that, or countries means you can do like that, or based on the trends means you can divide like that. Okay, so that's regarding task 1 for academic. Now we'll see regarding the task 1 for general module. This time you can expect an informal letter. So informal letter means you know that you can use informal language. You are writing a letter to your friends or family, so you can able to repeat some words. You can use contractions, short forms, phrasal verbs, okay, collocations and all. So try to use it properly. And moving on to task 2. First we'll see regarding the academic module, task 2. You can expect opinion type essay that will ask you in any form. Okay. Then second one, discussion with opinion type essay. And also 2-part essay. Okay, in the question itself, two part will be there. You need to answer for both the part. So you can write the answer for first part in first body paragraph and second part in the second body paragraph. Third body paragraph is not so mandatory. If you have additional points means you can add it out. So that's regarding the academic task 2. You can expect opinion type essay, discussion with opinion, or else two-part essay. Now we'll see regarding this general module task 2. You can expect opinion type essay or a discussion type essay. That will ask you in any form. Opinion type means they will ask you one-sided opinion essay or balanced opinion type essay. That means do you agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree. Okay, discussion essay means either they will ask you in the form of discuss both views or else advantage and disadvantage. So these two category you want to concentrate more on. Okay, now we'll see regarding some essay topics too. If I'm giving some topics means you can able to prepare it out. You can collect some points under that. So as I always mention, try to collect some opposing arguments and some supporting points. So there are lots of essays are available in this internet and all. So try to go through that. Try to go through IELTS essays. Okay, don't go through any type of essays. You will get school level essays and all. So don't go through that. Try to read out the IELTS essays and try to maintain proper structure. Okay. So the first topic is technology. You can expect the questions like under mobile phone, computer, internet, about socialization, social platforms, then the gap between the young and the old age, the gap between the rich and the poor in case of these technologies, then about different inventions, artificial intelligence, about the robot, the dependency of people in these robots, machineries and all, about this machine automation and all. The next topic is transportation and travel, about this tourism, eco-tourism, public transportation, private transportation, congestion in cities, about traffic rules, then about this railway system and all, then about the government role also in maintaining this traffic rules and all. Then the next topic is advertising, about this advertisement, the influence of this advertisement in children, about the companies sponsoring programs, fast food advertisements, about this consumerism, whether this advertisement increase the consumerism or not. Next topic about the building and housing, renting, buying, trees and housing, urban areas, rural areas, old building, modern buildings and all. Then about this environment related to pollution, deforestation, resource depletion, beauty sport, environmental issues, declining of biodiversity, animal extinction and all. Then next topic, education, related to education, online education, smart classes, traditional classroom program, about extracurricular activities, then selection of subject in case of tertiary education, university education means, then government role, whether government want to select the subject for students or not. Then about the free education, whether government want to fund for this education, then studying abroad program, then about the work or business related topics, about this work and life balance, about this job satisfaction and all. These type of questions you can expect. Next topic is food and health, anything you can expect under food and health, importing or exporting of food items, about this fast food, tin food and all, then the use of these preservatives. Then something related to sports and games, indoor games, outdoor games, Olympics. Then TV, media and also the influence of these technologies in children, about the media and violence, about the crimes in media, whether they want to telecast it or not. Then about the TV viewing hours of children. Okay, so these type of topics you can prepare with. So try to collect some points under these topics. It will really help you out in your real exam. So that's all about the prediction for 24th June. So you have enough time. So try to prepare well. Go through different topics. So try to collect some points for your essays and concentrate on your speaking also. So sometimes they will conduct this video call speaking and all in some centers. So inquire with your centers regarding that. We already done so many videos to help you out for your IELTS test. So you can go through that. So for your convenience, I just divided that into playlist and all, so you can check it out. So we are providing online classes to you. If you are interested means you can join with us. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification. So stay tuned and God bless you all.